If you're over 50, your liver may be quietly filling with fat right now, even if you don't drink a single drop of alcohol. The scary part? You might feel perfectly fine, until one day you don't. Your energy drops, your belly grows, and suddenly your doctor says you've got a fatty liver. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You can reverse it naturally, not with pills, not with detox teas, but with simple foods that restore your liver's power to heal itself. So today I'll explore the best and worst foods for your liver after 50, according to real science. Stay with me till the end, because food number 2 on the worst list is probably in your kitchen right now. Section 1. The hidden problem. Your liver is your body's silent superhero. It cleans your blood, processes nutrients, breaks down fats, and even controls hormones. But after age 50, something changes. Your metabolism slows. You lose muscle. And your body starts storing fat, not just under your skin, but inside your liver. Doctors call this non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, and according to Harvard researchers, it affects nearly 1 in 3 older adults, often without a single symptom. You may notice constant fatigue, trouble losing belly fat, bloating or indigestion, a dull ache near your right rib. But most people ignore these signs until the damage builds up. And here's the shocking part. Once fat builds up in the liver, it can trigger inflammation, scarring, and even progress to cirrhosis, just like alcohol-related damage. Yet there's good news. The liver is the only organ that can fully regenerate if you give it the right tools. Those tools are food, movement, and rest. Section 2. Simple science of liver healing. Think of your liver as a busy factory. Every day it processes nutrients, neutralizes toxins, and creates the fuel your cells run on. When we eat too much sugar, refined carbs, or processed fats, the liver gets overwhelmed. It starts storing those extra calories as triglycerides, tiny fat droplets that pile up inside liver cells. Over time, those cells become sluggish, inflamed, and unable to clean your blood efficiently. But according to research from Johns Hopkins University, dietary changes alone can reduce liver fat by up to 30% in just 8 weeks, without medication. That is what we're about to uncover. The foods that heal and the foods that harm your liver after 50. Let's start with the good ones, the foods that reverse fatty liver naturally. Section 3. 10. Best foods to reverse fatty liver. 10. Coffee. Surprising but true. Yes, coffee, but without sugar or cream. Multiple studies, including from the Harvard School of Public Health, show that moderate coffee drinkers have healthier liver enzyme levels. The secret lies in chlorogenic acid, an antioxidant that prevents fat buildup and inflammation. Tip: 1 to 2 cups of black or unsweetened coffee a day is ideal. Avoid sugary lattes or flavored syrups. Those reverse the benefits instantly. 9. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and arugula. Greens help neutralize the acid load and reduce liver fat. They're packed with chlorophyll, which binds to heavy metals and toxins. A 2020 study in Nutrients Journal found that seniors who ate greens daily had significantly lower fatty liver rates. Tip: add a handful of spinach or kale to your omelet or smoothie. Even a small portion daily protects liver cells. 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind that burns liver fat instead of storing it. In Mediterranean studies, it lowered liver enzymes and improved insulin sensitivity. Tip: use 1 tablespoon daily. For salad dressings or light cooking, avoid high heat frying to preserve its benefits. 7. Garlic. Garlic activates liver enzymes that flush out toxins. It's also rich in allicin, a compound that reduces fat buildup and improves cholesterol. According to a 2019 clinical trial, garlic supplementation reduced fatty liver markers by 26% in adults. Tip: crush raw garlic and let it sit for 5 minutes before cooking. That boosts allicin levels. 6. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. Fish high in omega-3s help balance fatty acids in your liver. They reduce inflammation and stop fat storage inside cells. The Journal of Hepatology reported that omega-3s can cut liver fat by up to 35%. Tip: enjoy salmon or sardines twice a week. If you don't eat fish, consider an omega-3 supplement after checking with your doctor. 5. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with catechins, antioxidants that melt fat and improve liver function. Japanese longevity experts drink it daily, not for caffeine, but for liver health. Tip: drink 2-3 cups of green tea daily. Avoid bottled versions. They're often full of sugar. 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. Berries protect your liver through anthocyanins, pigments that fight oxidative stress. They improve insulin sensitivity and stop fat storage. A 2022 study showed daily berry intake improved liver enzymes by 28% in older adults. Tip: add berries to oatmeal or yogurt. Frozen berries are just as powerful as fresh. 3. Avocados. Avocados are a nutrient powerhouse for your liver. They contain glutathione, which helps detoxify and repair damaged liver cells. Japanese studies found that avocado compounds reduce liver inflammation by up to 30%. Tip: half an avocado daily, on toast or salad, is perfect. It's healthy fat that heals, not harms. 2. Walnuts. Walnuts contain arginine and omega-3s that cleanse the liver and boost blood flow. According to research in Liver International, walnut eaters had better liver function than those who didn't. Tip: eat a small handful daily, about 7 whole walnuts. Avoid salted or candied versions. 1. Lemon and citrus fruits. Lemons, limes, and oranges contain vitamin C and natural acids that stimulate bile, your liver's cleansing fluid. They flush out waste, digest fat, and keep your liver lean. Tip: start your morning with warm lemon water. It's gentle, alkalizing, and a daily liver tonic. These foods aren't exotic or expensive. They're everyday ingredients that quietly rebuild your liver, one meal at a time. But here's the key: what you avoid is just as important as what you eat. Let's look at the 5 worst foods that fuel fatty liver, and how to replace them. Section 4. 5. Worst foods for your liver. 5. Processed meats, bacon, ham, sausage. They're loaded with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives that trigger inflammation. They make your liver work overtime just to filter the chemicals. A study in hepatology research found that processed meat eaters had double the risk of liver fat accumulation. Avoid bacon, sausage, deli ham. Choose fresh chicken, turkey, or tofu. 4. Sugary beverages, soda, sweet tea, fruit juice. Fructose, the sugar in soft drinks and juices, goes straight to your liver. Your body doesn't burn it for energy. Instead, it converts it into fat. According to a Harvard study, daily sugary drinkers had 2 times higher fatty liver risk. Avoid soda, sweet tea, 100% fruit juice. Choose lemon water or unsweetened green tea. 3. White bread, rice, and pasta. Refined carbs spike blood sugar and flood the liver with fat-producing glucose. Over time, that's like pouring oil into an already full tank. Japanese studies show that seniors replacing white grains with whole grains saw liver fat drop 20%. Avoid white rice, pastries, white bread. Choose brown rice, oats, quinoa, or whole grain pasta. 2. Vegetable oils, canola, corn, soybean. Most of these oils are high in omega-6 fatting, which cause inflammation when overused, and the liver can't process them well. The University of California found that mice on a high omega-6 diet developed fatty liver even without sugar. Avoid canola, corn, soybean oils. Choose olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil in moderation. 1. Alcohol, even small amounts. Even light drinking adds extra stress to an aging liver. After 50, your liver's enzymes slow down, so alcohol lingers longer in your system. Regular use, even a few glasses a week, increases inflammation and speeds up scarring. Avoid all alcohol if possible. Choose sparkling water with lemon or herbal teas like milk thistle and dandelion root. Section 5. Daily lifestyle habits for liver healing. Food is your foundation, but lifestyle completes the healing process. Here's what liver experts recommend for adults over 50. Drink more water. At least 6 to 8 glasses a day to help flush toxins. Move your body. Even a 20-minute walk after dinner can reduce liver fat and balance blood sugar. Sleep deeply. Your liver regenerates most during sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quiet rest. Eat earlier dinners. Stop eating at least 3 hours before bed. It gives your liver time to process and recover. Practice gratitude and calm. Stress hormones like cortisol can worsen inflammation. Deep breathing, prayer, or light meditation all help. Section 6. Hopeful takeaway. 21 rayon. Your liver is one of the most forgiving organs in the human body. Even if it's been struggling for years, it can bounce back faster than you think. Every sip of lemon water, every bite of greens, every walk after dinner, they're signals of love to your liver. And when you give your liver what it needs, it gives you back your energy, your clarity, and your joy for life. Soft piano music swells. If this video helped you, share it with someone who deserves a stronger, longer, healthier life. And always remember, it's never too late to start healing from within. Screen fades to black with text. Subscribe to Senior Secrets for more natural longevity tips.